Crafty Friends. This is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make these Halloween treats using the Stampin' Up Sweet and Spooky kit. Not only are they quick and easy, but this kit will be on sale for 30% off October 6th through 8th through the Stampin' Up Kit Collection sale. So let's get started. Here are my Halloween treat boxes. This one has the jack-o'-lantern on it. This one has the ghost. And this is what the Sweet and Spooky Kit collection looks like. You can make 15 treat boxes with this kit, and everything you need to make them is included. You get 3 different box designs. You get the accessories to make the tags for the box topper. You get twine. And also your adhesive and your embellishments. Now this box is very roomy. I wanted you to see the inside of one. So you can put Halloween candy in here, socks, all different kinds of things will fit inside this box. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble. So from the kit, I'm going to make the box that has the bat on it. And so I've already punched out my tag pieces, and then here's the box itself. Okay, the first thing I want to do, I'm going to fold on all the score lines. That makes assembly very, very quick. You can use a bone folder, but I'm just simply folding it with my hand. And the box essentially is a milk party style type of box. Okay, when I flip it over, I can see which score lines I went over and which ones I did. And I think I got them all. All right, next what you want to do, I'm going to take some of the tearing tape and I'm going to add tearing tape to this top tab, this side tab at the bottom, and then I want to add a piece right above this bottom flap. Alright, I'm going to peel this off. And the bottom flap. Now what I like to do to line these ends up, I lay this down flat. I fold the flap with the adhesive on it first, and then I fold it over. That way you can see. Look at that. Now what I'm going to do is just turn it upside down, and again my flap with the adhesive is on top. I'm going to fold these in, fold this flap down, fold this flap down, and then fold it over. Okay, now for the top part. Now, because you went over the square lines initially, you folded them in, this makes this come together easy. Just fold in. And you might have to hold it a little bit. Let's see. Now, this bottom flap wants to give me a little bit of a run for the money. Okay, let me see. Now, let's see if we got it here. Okay. Now I've made a bunch of these already. And this one wants to not be nice. Alright. There we go. Now, we have the treat box base. Okay, I'm going to set that down for a minute. And then now I'm going to make the tag. And again, what's great about this kit is there is no stamping involved. And the instruction sheets will tell you step by step how to assemble each one. All right, so for this tag, we have this piece, and then what I'm going to do is lay this on top. The holes match up. And then we have the boo, which is right there. And then we have a bat. So all I'm going to do with the bat is add a dimensional to the back of it. And then I have a piece of the twine that's from the kit. I'm just going to run this through. And this part, if you don't want to put a bow, it's fine. Because there's a cute little paper clip that you're going to clip this on with. All right. Let's see here. One of my least favorite things to do is tie a bow on camera. Now, if I weren't on camera, I would have whipped this out. All right. Now, to tie my bow. And you don't have to be as OCD as I am about the bows. You can just tie it. See how that bow just wanted to come back out there? That's about right, right? All right, let me tie this one more time. All right, let's see here. All right, now we got it. Again, you don't have to be OCD about the bows like I am. All right, and then what you're gonna do, close your box cup, hold the tag to the top of the box, and then it also comes with these cute little paper clips. Clip it on, and then what we're gonna do is add, look how pretty those are. Just a little bit of bling. Just like that. And there you have it. So, again, this Sweet and Spooky kit will make 15 Halloween treat boxes. You get this one. And look at the little ghost over the door. You get this one. The ghost and the eek. And the flags are in the kit as well. And then here's the back. And again, all of these pieces are included in your kit box. I hope you like this project, and don't forget the Sweet and Spooky kit collection is on sale October 6th to 8th with 30% off. Thank you for taking time to watch me stamp and craft. I hope you like this project. If you'd like to see more of my projects, you can find me at lisafleming.stampinup.net, where you can shop. Also at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can find me on Instagram at Peanuts and Peppers Cards. You can find me right here on my YouTube channel at Peanuts and Peppers Crafting. Also my Facebook channel at Peanuts and Peppers Crafting, and Pinterest as well. Thank you again for spending a few minutes with me. Please like, share, and subscribe. I've set a goal of having 1,000 subscribers by December, and I'm almost there. I'm in the 700 range. So please like, share, and subscribe.